Hello from Slovenia again. I will try to do this 3D looking flower again, and I will use the same colors as I did in my previous pour, but I will leave out the gold and add some lighter shade of yellow too. So I was thinking, and I will spin it out, but I have it here for now that I will, have more stable surface, because spin table can spin while you do your pattern, because I will do a lot of puddles and I will fast forward you. But maybe today I will go just with one puddle again, and I will definitely do less color in one puddle. And I started with vandyke brown and quinacridone burnt orange and naples yellow, azo yellow deep and azo yellow light and naples yellow. And I will just repeat this and see you when I will finish it. This part takes quite a lot of time. And I don't even know if I have enough paint, but my back hurts, so I will just torch it and draw some lines, and still think that I will lose most of my yellow. We'll see what will happen. We'll just add a little more white, because I really don't know if I have enough paint. So maybe I will even keep some negative space. We will see. I will just push paint a little more to the middle before I will start spinning. So let's spin this. I'm pretty sure that I don't have enough paint. Let's see what we can do with this. So weird. But I have more yellow this time. One more spin. And I will probably leave it like it is. Not probably, I will. Because I like some, I wish just this one to go over. So let's do one more spin. Yes, I think that this will be it. So here it is. I'm not sure about this part there. That part. Maybe I should tilt a little more, but I like the middle. So I did kept a little yellow after all. So weird. I didn't expect this Van Dyke brown to, you know, stand as much, but, and this quinacridone burnt orange, but I like, you see this depth between the lines. It really looks 3D. So maybe I will give it another spin and then leave it to dry. Still didn't figure out completely, but I think that I'm close. Definitely didn't have enough paint for this one. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.